everyone, what's up? It's your favorite tech channel bringing you another tech review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Amazon's first attempt at a home bot, the Astro. So let's jump right in. This is Max and Fix. Astro is essentially a souped up Echo Show on wheels priced at a whopping $14.49. Now the first thing you should know is that this isn't the robot butler you might have envisioned from sci-fi movie. It can't empty out the dishwasher or feed your dog, but it does have some impressive wheels that let it nimbly follow you around the house playing music or streaming your favorite shows. It also equipped with 2 cameras that help it identify people and places, and it can act like a home security bot when paired with a Ring subscription. But let's get into specifics. The Astro has some really solid smart security capabilities, and its motion/navigation skills are quite impressive. It also makes for a handy portable Echo Show. On the aesthetic side, it's kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. Plus, it's self-charging and works with Alexa routine. That said, it's not all sunshine and roses with the Astro. Unfortunately, it's a little too much Alexa and not enough Astro, if you know what I mean. Subscriptions are required for some features, and it can only map 1 floor. And did I mention that it has no arms? Plus, the price point is a bit steep, coming in at $1,000 or even $1,450 once it's publicly available. In terms of performance, Astro has a pretty good grasp on personal space, so it won't barrel into your furniture or trip on rugs. And if it can't navigate around an obstacle, it'll simply wait to be rescued. When it comes to speed, Astro zips around at top pace of just over 2 miles an hour, which is quite impressive compared to robot vacuums. One of the coolest and slightly creepy features of Astro is its anonymous movement. It has the ability to find spots where it thinks it will be useful when it's not in use, and it will go to its charger when it gets low battery. So you don't have to worry about finding it dead somewhere or going on a hunt looking for this thing. Just check the charger. But it may take some getting used to having like a free roaming robot running around your house. It might give you a mini heart attack when it suddenly appears over your couch, but hey, the whole device is pretty cool. The overall design is pretty neat. It also looks like an oversized white Echo Show 10 with a 10-inch touchscreen mounted to a pair of 12-inch wheels. It has a small cargo area perfect for carrying your drinks or snacks, equipped with a 15-watt USB-C port, which is quite handy. But don't let the cute face fool you. It's basically an Echo Smart Display on wheels. In theory, Astro can perform tasks like finding and delivering items, but it still has its limitations. Now, it does have personality with its ability to wink, smile, and even express love, but this is often disrupted by the overempowering presence of Alexa. It's quite limited to 1 floor due to its inability to do stairs, and it can only hold 1 map. And while it can recognize people using its onboard visual ID, this feature works periodically at best. One of Astro's most impressive roles is its function to act as a home security camera. When paired with a Ring Protect Pro subscription plan, Astro can anonymously patrol your home, send alerts when it sees someone it doesn't recognize, and even check on things while you're away. Literally, what can get any better than that? Like literally, I have a robot going around my house, making like checking everything, making sure everything's up to par. Nobody's breaking in. There's no suspicious activity going on. Like, come on now, that's perfect. Lastly, is the Astro worth its hefty price tag of $14.49 or $1,000 for early adapters? Honestly, it's a stretch. For now, the HomeBot feels like a luxury more than a necessity. If the Astro could handle multi-floor mapping, had arms for picking up stuff, or perform tasks beyond Alexa's capabilities, the cost might be justifiable. But as it stands, its current offerings and limitations don't match that steep asking price. Sure, the Astro is a cool robot with some nifty features, but don't get your hopes up too high. If you're expecting a robot butler, you'll definitely get disappointed. In the end, Astro is a fun tech toy that gives us a glimpse into the future of home robotics, but until Amazon adds more utility to it, I can't fully recommend it. Remember folks, technology can be awesome, but only when it serves our needs effectively. Amazon's Astro sure has its cool points, but it's not quite there just yet. That's it for this review. If you guys liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech reviews. As always, leave your thoughts, comments, or questions below. Let's start a conversation. Let's get chatty. But stay curious, tech lovers, And until next time, this is Dominic. I'm signing off. Peace.